In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Substack account. By the end, you'll be comfortably signed in and ready to read, write, or manage your newsletters without any hiccups. First, open your preferred web browser and head to substack.com. It's best to type the address directly into the URL bar, rather than clicking a random search result, just to avoid any lookalike sites. When the page loads, you can even bookmark it for quicker access next time. If you're on mobile, you can do the same in your mobile browser. Next, find and click the Sign In button. On desktop, it usually appears at the top right. On mobile, it may be in the menu. Make sure you're on the Sign In screen, not the Sign Up page. If you see fields asking you to create a new account, just look for the option to sign in instead. Now enter the email address associated with your Substack account. This should be the email you used when you subscribe to newsletters or set up your publication. Type carefully, check for extra spaces before or after the address, and confirm the domain is correct. If you manage multiple inboxes, take a second to confirm you're using the one where you normally receive Substack emails. After you submit your email, Substack will send a verification code to that inbox. Keep the Substack tab open and switch to your email. The message usually arrives within a minute, but give it a little time. If you don't see it, check your spam, junk, or promotions folders and try searching your inbox for Substack. If you realize you typed the wrong email, go back and correct it. If the code still doesn't arrive after a short wait, use the resend option on the Substack page. Remember, these codes are time sensitive and you should never share them with anyone. Once you have the verification code, copy it from the email and return to the Substack tab. Paste the code into the verification field. If it adds spaces when you paste, remove them so only the digits remain. If the code has expired or shows as invalid, request a fresh one and try again. When the code is accepted, you will be signed in automatically. You may land on your Substack home feed, your subscriptions, or your publication dashboard, depending on what you last used. That's it. You've successfully logged in. For faster access in the future, consider keeping the site bookmarked and make sure you can easily get to the inbox for the email you use with Substack. Thanks for watching and enjoy your reading and writing on Substack.